Hey, what is up everybody? This is Sin from reviewsofsoftware.com. Welcome to my unfair advance review. And as you can see right now, I'm inside a members area. I will give you a full demo exactly what you're getting inside of this training course. If you know this training, but you're not sure what they're teaching you and what you're getting inside of the training, in this video, I will cover everything you need to know about the training. And I also put a lot of custom bonus that I will give for you, so make sure you stay to the end of this video. If you first time come to my channel, click subscribe, click the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notified. So right now, let's get started. So first thing first, what is the unfair advance, right? So this is, in a nutshell, this is a training course and also include software. Okay, they will teach you how to make money from Amazon. So you know that Amazon now they have 100 million people shopping on Amazon every day. So in this training, they will show you how to do Amazon affiliate. This training is not like the other training over there, because here they show you how to do affiliate. They also include a very core software that probably if you do affiliate, you know that when you do affiliate from Amazon, the people click to your link, then they go to the Amazon website, then the cookie on your computer only stick on there 24 hours. But with this unfair advanced software, the cookie will stay in 3 months. 3 months. So you know that a lot of people are shopping on Amazon every day. In the 3 months, you see, probably all your customer might shopping one time on the Amazon. So you can imagine that how much money and how much traffic you get to your affiliate link, then they will they will earn all the money for you after that, right? So this is basically how everything the unfair advance will do for you. And plus they have a lot of training over here. It's not only the software, they're training you everything you need to know about start to finish and how to choose the right product. Here is really cool because they show you how to choose the best product from Amazon. Then they show you how to do video review. So the video review is you can the good thing is the video review, the good thing is you don't need to show your face on there. So that's really cool. I really love about that. And they show you how to do SEO, so make sure your video on the top of Google and YouTube, right? So alright, so that's everything about the unfair advanced world. I will go here just a little bit later, but I also put a lot of custom bonus that I will give for you. So right now, click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page right here. The reason you need to click to the first link in the description of this video, because I have a lot of custom bonus here I will give for you free if you purchase the product by my link, right? So make sure you click to the first link in the description of this video, then you'll access to whole my bonus. Okay, so alright, so in here, when you arrive to my bonus page, what you need to do, click to any arrange button here, then it will take you to the sale page, look like this. Then click to any red button here, then you purchase product and you're good to go. Okay, so alright, so let's see what bonus I give for you, right? That's really important. So if you like the bonus, make sure you come to here, grab the product before my countdown time. If my countdown time, my bonus will expire, and obviously I don't want you miss out. Okay, so click to any orange button here, then you're good to go. So right now, let's see what bonus I will give for you right here. Right, so in here I have include my 14 high quality bonus that I will give for you free. So the first bonus here, I will show you do SEO mastery. That's an amazing course. And you know, you choose this product, and they show you how to do video marketing, how to do video review, and my bonus here that will help you how to rank your keyword on Google and YouTube, right? And you know that the cookie that stick in your page about 3 months. So I show you how to do SEO here. Make sure your video have most people click on your affiliate link. So you're gonna need my first bonus right here. And also I will show you do how to do Google Ads. Google Ads is really important, guys. Any business need it. And Google Ads is really important. If you're just starting out, your website didn't get any traffic, you need my bonus, because here I show you to do Google Ads and do retargeting. Okay, and then bonus number 3, I will show you to do Bing Ads. Bing Ads is really important, because a lot of people do Google Ads, but not a lot of people do Bing Ads. And the cool thing about it is Bing Ads is old people, they are searching on here, and old people, they have more money, right? So I show you how to do Bing Ads in here too. And then bonus number 4, I will show you do video marketing. Video marketing is important. Video marketing is different video review, right? Video marketing is core video and the professional video to make sure people buy from your product, right? So this is a video marketing, and I have a lot more, right? I show you do YouTube SEO. I show you do review blogging. Review blogging is really important. Any affiliate need review blog. Any business need a blog. So here I have include for you. A lot of people, you charge you a lot of money to build a website blog, but here I will show you everything. Okay, I will show you how to rank number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. This is my number 1 I give for you. I don't want to wait for you, but I just want you to see. So that's why I show you how to rank your number 1 on Google less than 24 hours. Right, you can rank any keyword. I show you how to find the less competitive keyword and rank number 1 on Google and YouTube. Okay, and a lot more here. Feel free to click to the first link in the description of this video, then it will take you to my bonus page. I break down everything you need to know about the software and also the training, and also a lot of my bonus is waiting for you here. Okay, so you need to click hold of my bonus here, you need to post the product before my countdown time here. If my countdown time, my bonus will expire, and obviously I don't want you miss out, because I just want you to see. Right, so once you post the product, so you go to the WordPress, you go to the history product, you go down to here, the little blue button here, so you ask it to hold my bonus, so you have hold my bonus in you. Okay, right, so in this product, the unfair advance gonna be launched in it's already launched yesterday. It already launched yesterday is the 18th October. So today in this video is 19th October. So right now you can click to the first link in the description of this video. Then you go to the orange button here, click to any orange button here, go to the sale page like this, then click to any red button here, then you're good to go. Okay, so alright, so let's see inside of the training. Okay, so when you write here, this is the welcome video, welcome from the training, right? So here the video welcome, and here they show you the method they show overview the method, and here hold the full training. Hold the full training here. They will show you how to do unfair event full system. Right? Full system. This includes 6 video here. Right? They will show you how to sign up on Amazon. If you are ready on the Amazon Associate, you don't need to sign up. You go to the next to access to the software. But if you are new to Amazon affiliate, you need to register. You need to register account. Okay. And video number 2. Video number 2 will show you how to make money on Amazon. Show you how to do. This is video number 3. Number 4, they show you step by step how to get result on that. Okay. So here they show you everything. Here you upset to the software. Here they will show you how to upset to the software and how to connect, bring your affiliate to here. Okay, you click to here, and then you will upset to the software. And they have template. They will show you how to. You can download the template for your video from here. Then a lot more here. They have bonus right here. And yeah, and this is that you can chat to them because they have support here. You can chat to them every time you want. Okay, so alright, so that is everything you need to know about the unfair event. So if you still not click to the first link in the description of this video, click right now, click to the first link in the description of this video. It will take you to my bonus page right here. Then click to any orange button here. You are go to the sale page right here. Click to any red button here. Then you are good to go. Okay, and yeah, so this is everything you need to know. So right now, let's talk about the price, right? So what is the price, right? So the first price, you purchase the product right now, this you only pay $17. That's really cheap. You know that a lot of people, you charge a lot of money to a training course, right? So in here they have the training. They also have the software to use, and you know that in affiliate Amazon affiliate, when the people click to your link, the cookie only stay 24 hours wherever they bought any product. But in here they have this include the software that your link can stay on there in 3 months. So that's a lot, right? So the $17, that's really small price. And I also show you how to save $5 as well, right? So when you arrive to the sale page here I will show you how to save $5. When you arrive here and you should relax and you arrive here to the sale page, then you up your mouse above here. You ask your mouse above here. Then there a pop-up. The pop-up will show up here. Then you get $5 discount. That's a very great, guy. You can save $5, right? You can save $5 here. So you will not pay $7, right? You will not pay $7. You will save $5. That's really cool. Only $15. That's really cool. So here you access to everything. Create one unfair events project. 10 minutes. Use 2 minute hack post and guarantee on pay rank. And when someone click on that cookie, anything the purchase from Amazon, you have on hack low end and on hack high end product. Right, so they have upsell number 1. They will here they will do FE user get trendy software rich per day. Take option number 1, get unlimited search, which trialing is need to make signature money. Right, this is good to go, right? So after you purchase this product, this is the second I would recommend to you to go. Okay, they have a lot of upsell over here too. So feel free to click to the third link in the description of this video. It will take you to here. So enjoy yourself to see the product. So make sure you know that I have 14 high quality bonus I would like to give for you if you purchase the product to my link. So make sure you click to the first link in the description of this video. You go to my bonus page and click to any orange button here. You go to sale page, click to any, and you use your mouse on the bar here. You can get 5 discount. Then click to red button here. Then you're good to go. Okay, so right, so that everything, right? So alright guys, I hope everything I covered here is fully, and if I missed some information, please let me know. If you still not subscribed to my channel, click to subscribe, click to the bell icon. Every time when I upload a new video, you get notified. So thank you so much, and I will see you in another video. Bye bye.